won't.
Kuba. I had a question. I put an application in Discord to be a mod, but how do I know if it says yes or no?
Well,
Kuba,
somebody has to.
can you please let us in?
And
Please, Kuba.
It has to get approved.
We're best
by
friends, right?
the owner.
Wait, Kuba, do you need
and
a
it
PC
goes
to become
in
a mod?
And it goes to the announcement.
Do you need a PC to become a mod?
Just asking. And they post it in the announcements if you get picked.
Alright.
Can you let us?
They choose?
Can you let us in the vents?
No.
Why?
Wait, Kuba, I have a question.
Whoa! Hey, don't kick me! Whoa!
Do you need a PC to become a moderator?
Oh my god.
No.
Hello?
Okay,
Oh
good.
no. Hello?
No!
Oh no. He's dead.
I'm not gonna use the school Chrome.
Can you go in the vent?
Grab. Not really tried, bro.
Come on, bro.
Is there anyone?
Bro, there's nothing in there. I've been in there already.
Oh my gosh!
There's nothing.
Oh my gosh!
And it's
Wait.
leaking kicked. What?
Scan it.
How do you get in the
Get out.
It kicks. That's literally what it does. Bro. What? It's funny. It's really funny. Bro. Don't tell me I'm banned. I was about to say, if I'm banned. No. Yo!
I'm sorry.
Yo, somebody
I'm trying to
literally.
kick you. I don't know why I didn't kick you.
Hey, I'm back in. Hey, thank you. Thank you.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'll get out.
It literally just
want to be a moderator.
It literally just
Get out.
kicks you.
Get
It
out.
just kicks you.
Yeah.
I went in it. Hey, Cuba, thank you so much. I'm not gonna ask you for anything. Have a good day. No. Oh. Whoa! Wait, does that actually kick people?
Oh yeah, that one actually kicks you.
Ah! He's trying to kick me! Ah! No!
If he tries to, I mean, he can just kick you for no reason.
So if you guys are wondering, that's what's inside it. I don't think I'm supposed to record, but that's what's inside it. Literally nothing. Going back in. Even stronger now! Wait, Cuba! Do you have to work for Robot Tag to become a moderator?
No.
Hey, why'd you not listen the
Make
first
an
time?
Application. Applications are on
Why'd
right
you
now.
not listen to first?
Oh
time,
yeah,
bro?
applications.
Who wants to have a snowball fight with me? Cause I'm a moderator. Nah. You.
Stop. Oh my, he just said
Why-
he's a
why'd you
moderator.
not listen
I'm
to me?
reporting.
Guys, I have a mod menu right here. Why'd you not listen?
You're not moderator,
Everybody
though.
has a menu.
Everybody has
I'm
platform
gonna
and stuff,
I'm
and you
gonna
just said you're
applicate.
moderator.
I just like
but
to say.
get banned.
Hopefully I win.
I'm
Pew
just
pew
gonna
pew pew.
report him.
Lobby.
What
Wait,
are they
moderator.
doing? That's all they do.
One more question. So I've been trying to ask people this, but like, so on the mod menu, like, do you get more mods if you're a moderator?
He was in the way, dude. Yeah. Wait, can you open it, please? I've always wanted to be one.
I've been in there. It just kicks you.
No. Alright, if I open it, would you promise you don't go in there?
I promise. That's cool. I promise I won't go. Bro. That's so goofy, y'all.
Bro, please don't kick me. I just got kicked for someone else. Hey, bro, can you come here? There's someone being talked to. I heard. Come here, bro. Bro, kick him, please. I dare
No.
you, please.
Don't kick me. I didn't do anything.
I'll give you the edible carrot. touch that right here. Touch that red thing.
How much money I touch it?
Let me touch the red thing or else I'll shoot you. Bam, bam. Who wants to go to the bathroom with me?
I can't touch it. I'm too scared. I don't want to get kicked.
Hey, if I open it, would you promise you don't go in there?
I promise. I promise.
How'd you get that? No. It's too close to a chance. You get kicked.
That's cool.
Wait, how do you get that? How do you get the band hammer?
Why? I said, would you promise? And you said yes. So why'd you go in?
I met you like 2 days ago.
Oh wait, I didn't know.
What is
know.
this?
I would just not join.
What is this?
How do you get that band hammer?
1 sec. I'm in third
Oh,
place.
are you an actual mod?
Yeah. I met him yesterday. It's either 1 or 2 days.
Help! I'm stuck. I'm literally in third place.
Someone help!
See what's behind me. I'm stuck.
Pull your hand out.
Whoa!
Oh,
I've got it.
Oh,
I'm stuck in the
okay.
vent.
So I said promise me, and you said yes. So why'd you put it in your hand in there?
Hey, that's not fully going
Help!
in. You said going
You
in.
broke a promise.
So good. Okay, I'm not the one who said yes.
Well, now you have to start your game.
I'm stuck. Okay, actually, I'm stuck.
Cool.
Can one of the moderators kick me out so I can get out of this stupid thing?
I got you, bro.
Thank you. Yo, what's up, guys?
You got kicked.
I wish I could get that hammer though.
Yeah,
you know that.
QBR.
Well, I'm gonna try to get mods tonight, but I doubt it will happen.
But I really badly want to get the band hammer though. How do you even? Are you like at a Nova or something?
Hey, guys. On here, go like this and go forward.
What?
Okay.
Don't ask
What does that do?
Where are all of you guys?
Ah!
Where are you guys?
What?
I brought you to the testing
I
lab.
killed somebody. Ha, 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 ha. It was meant to be a trap.
Bro's trying to kick me.
Who wants to go to the testing lab with me?
Hey, I'm gonna leave the vents open, and anybody who goes into them, I'm gonna freeze them.
Okay.
Yo, I'm gonna go on a different server. So, gotta keep
Goodbye.
my friends down.
Wait. Before you go, can you kick me? Oh, sick. It's sick. Actually sick. I'm gonna applicate. Thank you guys for watching.